Tips for virtual presentations. Virtual presentations became a part of everyone's working life. Platforms like Zoom, Microsoft Teams, Google Meet, and WebEx have seen massive growth in usage. Presenting virtually is a very different experience to presenting in person. Here are some tips to ensure you communicate effectively through your virtual presentations. Dial in before the meeting starts. Prepare your technology. Dress appropriately. Have professional surroundings and background. Manage your audience. Eye contact with the camera is a must. Know your slides. Keep everyone engaged. Be enthusiastic all the time. Body language and timing. Thank you.